Hey there. Hey there. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact sales funnel we've been using to grow our agency. And if you have any type of business and you want to get more leads and more customers without spending more, this video is for you. In my videos, I share my screen here and I'm going to show you the exact sales funnel we use to attract clients, to retarget them so they don't forget about us, and then most importantly, to get the sale at the end so you're always profitable. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. In my videos, I break down my screen and show you the sales and marketing systems we use for us and all of our agency clients to scale their business. All right, so let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. Now, if you take a look here, we're going to look at the ROAS, right? The ROAS is going to be right around 2, but we're getting recurring subscriptions. So for every dollar you spend, you want to be able to get at least a 2 to 3 return back. Now, if you're only getting a one-time purchase, you need to have a higher ROAS. But since we have subscription, you can see it grows over time. And what we want to do is first we want to attract. So what we do is we set up ads in the ad studio here. We build ads to attract our ideal customers. And then we create content schedules to where we're going to create social media content on our agency businesses. From there, the people start hearing about us. They start seeing our brand. They start seeing our voice. Now, if you want this exact system I'm showing here, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over to you. All right, so the next thing you need to do is set up some retargeting ads. So as soon as somebody follows you on social media, as soon as they watch a video from another ad, as soon as they engage, you want to start showing them your ads again. What we do is we send everyone to this high converting landing page here. And this landing page basically gives them a free blueprint. It gives them something of high value that they can use. But more importantly, it shows what they will get if they upgrade with us. So you want to think about your business and your brand. What's something on this landing page that's super high value that you can give away and they get instant results, instant return, instant satisfaction. Now, nobody likes PDFs and guides anymore. They just don't have time to go read them. So we are recommending marketing agencies and really any type of business. They give away some sort of calculator or a software with AI, something where they can get instant result or feedback. A lot of people are doing AI SEO scores now, but something that you build and you get that person to fill out the form. From there, they fill out the form, and on this form, we want to make sure that we're getting at least a 60% conversion rate. It's free, so why wouldn't you want to get a good conversion rate there? If you don't have a good offer and you're not giving something away for free that's valuable, your conversion rate is going to be much less than that. From there, we want to really track our leads. So you can see we have a lead in the pipeline here. We want to see where those leads are in the pipeline and how long it takes them to get to the end. And then most importantly, where they came from. So if I'm running a bunch of Google and Facebook ads, but I'm getting most of my leads from my Twitter account, I need to know that so I can put more time and effort into that account that's bringing in my best leads. From there, you need to start sending them high value emails to remind them to come back, because most people aren't going to buy this first time they fill out the form, but they may buy tomorrow, next week, or the month after. You want to remind them again because maybe they didn't have time tomorrow. So remind them over and over for about 2 weeks before you put them in your newsletter. From there, you want to send them a quick text if they give you your phone number, just to make sure that they're getting your emails. Sometimes they get lost. And then what we want to do is really try to encourage them to book a call on our calendar link. We make it really easy for people to book calls, get on our schedule. We can answer any questions. Now on that call, we show them the price beforehand. So when we're on this sales call meeting, they already know the cost, they already know what we're offering, and they already know if it's going to help them or not. And then from there, we close the sale and we get them boarded. Once you get them onboarded, you want to start adding some more tabs here. So what you want to do is start adding some tools like courses, communities, member areas. And then you also want to try to get them into like a referral program, affiliate program, or something like that. All right, so what are you waiting for? It's time for you to build a sales funnel for your business. If you don't have this mapped out and your business is just a hot mess, and you know you're probably missing out on a ton of leads, you don't need to spend more to get more. You need to follow up with less people, but the right people. And that's really what we focus on. If you want a sales funnel custom built for you like this, just reach out to us on the links below, and my team will build you one custom for your business and your brand. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you go implement this and start using this for your business. And if it brought you any value at all, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about this sales and marketing stuff, you can check it out here. I'll be posting follow-ups on how we're actually going to implement this. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.